So about eclipses. Kids actually have a little trouble. Which one's a solar eclipse? Which one's the lunar eclipse? It's called an eclipse if you can't see it. The eclipse of the Kestenbaum. So during a lunar eclipse, you can't see the moon. During a solar eclipse, you can't see the sun. It's about shadows. Do you see the sunlight? So, it's fairly rare, but sometimes the Earth's shadow falls onto the moon, and if that happens, then the moon goes dark, and it's fairly cool. By the way, an eclipse of the moon is a really safe thing to look at. It's totally cool. They're not that uncommon. I've seen 4 or 5 in my lifetime, and looking at the moon is totally safe. The sun is 10,000 times brighter than the moon, and you can still read by moonlight. So please don't look at the sun. Please don't look at the sun. But the moon, yeah, go ahead, look at the moon. If the moon happens to be between us and the sun, and it does not happen every month, everything has to be just right. If the moon is between us and the sun, then the people right here, you have to be in exactly the right place. The people right there don't get to see the sun, and it only lasts 2 minutes. People fly to New Zealand to see it. I think they're out of their minds. 2 minutes of solar eclipse. It's not that exciting. One more thing I want you to understand. A full shadow is called an umbra. See any words in there you already know? Before they were made for rain, umbrellas were to keep the sun off you. Then there's the half shadow. Half shadow is called, yeah, get this into your notes, please. I'm working, how about you? The half shadow is called the penumbra. It's like ultimate and penultimate. So if you're where the penumbra is, you get a partial eclipse. But if you're right in the umbra, on the surface of the oith, this is oith science, we're learning about the oith. If you're right in the umbra, then you get a total eclipse of the sun. I've got a fun video where you will hear a Frenchman say, "C'est bon, c'est bon, c'est beau," he says. "It is beautiful, c'est beau, c'est beau." Thank you for your attention.